Struggling with belly fat but too tired for intense workouts? What if I told you that just 5 minutes before bed could help flatten your stomach, reduce bloating, and improve sleep? You don't need a gym. You don't even need to change your clothes. Just your body, your breath, and your will. Let's turn your nights into fat-burning belly slimming success. Ready? Let's begin. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to your nightly belly fat blasting routine. This isn't about overexertion, sweat, or strict diets. This is about consistency, comfort, and real results you can achieve from the comfort of your bed, literally. In this video, we've put together 10 ultra-effective stomach toning moves you can do every single night, even when you're tired. These exercises are gentle on your joints, low impact, and specifically designed to target lower belly fat, boost core strength, and help calm your nervous system so you burn fat while relaxing. Here's the secret: your body continues to burn fat while you sleep. So why not prep it for maximum fat loss by stimulating your core just before bed? Each of these exercises takes just 30 seconds, and together they make up a full 5-minute routine. That's it. No gym, no equipment, no pressure. Make this a nightly habit, and you'll start to notice changes: a tighter waistline, better posture, improved digestion, and deeper sleep. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your flat stomach journey, this is it. Stay with us till the end. Your best body is just a few breaths away. Exercise 1. Deadbug. Lie flat on your back with your arms reaching straight up toward the ceiling, and your knees bent at 90 degrees in a tabletop position. Tighten your core, flatten your back into the floor, and slowly extend your right arm and left leg away from your body. Keep them a few inches above the ground. Return to start, then switch sides. This exercise might look odd, but it's one of the most effective core stabilizers in the fitness world. The Deadbug targets your entire core, especially the transverse abdominis, the deep abdominal muscle that acts like your body's natural waist cincher. Unlike traditional crunches, the Deadbug builds functional strength, protects your lower back, and improves coordination. It's perfect for nighttime because it's gentle, low stress, and spine friendly. To get the most benefit, move slowly and focus on keeping your back flat against the floor the entire time. If your back lifts or arches, reduce your range of motion. Each rep trains your abs to resist movement, exactly what they're designed to do. With just 30 seconds of Deadbugs a night, you'll tighten your core, improve posture, and wake up stronger and flatter. Let's keep the burn going. Exercise 2. Reverse crunches. Lie flat on your back and bend your knees at 90 degrees, feet lifted. Place your hands at your sides or under your hips for support. Now use your core to pull your knees toward your chest, slightly lifting your hips off the floor. Pause at the top, then slowly lower back down. The reverse crunch is one of the most targeted lower ab exercises. It focuses precisely on the area most people struggle with, the lower belly. By lifting your hips instead of your chest, you take pressure off your neck and shoulders while keeping all the burn where it belongs, your core. Make sure to move with control. Don't swing your legs or use momentum. The slower you go, the more your muscles have to engage. Breathe in as you lower and exhale as you crunch. This move not only burns fat, but it also improves balance and strengthens the spine. Just 30 seconds a night can sculpt and define your abs, no equipment required. Feeling that burn already? Good, it means it's working. Exercise 3. Leg raises. Start flat on your back, legs straight, hands tucked under your glutes for support. Gently raise both legs until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso, then lower them slowly back down, stopping just before they touch the floor. Then lift again. Leg raises are perfect for deep lower abdominal activation. They help eliminate the lower pooch and tighten the belly from below. When done slowly and with intention, you engage not only the abs but also the hip flexors and even your lower back muscles. To avoid strain, keep your core tight and back flat against the floor. If you notice your back arching, raise your legs only as low as you can without losing form. Try to perform these for a solid 30 seconds. The goal is not speed, it's control. With each raise, visualize your belly firming, shrinking, and becoming stronger. And remember, results don't come from intensity, they come from consistency and precision. Do this move nightly and your belly fat will have nowhere to hide. Exercise 4. Toe touches. Lie on your back and extend your legs up toward the ceiling, knees slightly bent. Reach your hands up and try to touch your toes, lifting your shoulders and upper back off the mat as you crunch upward. This exercise targets the upper abdominal muscles, the ones responsible for that toned six-pack look. But beyond aesthetics, toe touches also improve core strength and posture. As you lift, avoid jerking your neck or pulling with your hands. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to initiate the movement. Each crunch should be small but powerful. Exhale as you reach up, inhale as you lower back down. Keep your core tight throughout and move in a controlled rhythm. You may feel a gentle burn in the upper stomach area after 15 seconds. That's a great sign. It means your muscles are engaged and working. Toe touches are an ideal low-impact move for the end of the day because they also encourage deep breathing, which relaxes your nervous system while toning your waist. Commit to this move every night, and you'll start waking up feeling tighter and more energized. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunches. Lie flat with your hands behind your head and knees bent. Lift your shoulders and start a slow, steady motion. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee, extend the right leg, then switch sides. Bicycle crunches are one of the most comprehensive of workouts, engaging your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all in one fluid motion. The key is slow and steady movement, not speed. Twist with intention. Squeeze your abs with every turn. That's how you build strength and burn fat. Avoid pulling on your neck. Your hands are there just for light support. Keep your elbows wide and chest open. As you twist, exhale to deepen the core engagement and inhale as you reset. Doing this for just 30 seconds can give you the burn of a 5-minute ab blast. You'll feel the fire in your sides and your center. This is how you sculpt definition, build endurance, and improve overall posture. Over time, this nightly practice will help trim down your waist and replace fat with definition. It's efficient, effective, and perfect to do before bed. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. Start on your back with hands under your glutes. Raise your legs a few inches off the floor, then alternate small kicks up and down, keeping your legs straight and close to the floor. Flutter kicks might seem simple, but they're incredibly effective for lower belly fat. This move engages your entire core, especially the transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural corset, pulling your stomach inward. To perform this right, keep your lower back flat on the floor, core tight, and movements small but controlled. Don't let your legs swing or your back arch. Each kick targets and tones the lower ab region while also engaging your hip flexors. Combined with deep breathing, this move fires up your metabolism, making it a powerful nighttime calorie burner. Start slow and steady, quality over quantity. You'll feel the burn quickly, and that's your bodybuilding strength where it matters most. Done consistently, Flutter kicks help sculpt a leaner, firmer belly and increase your endurance. It's a simple yet high-return investment of 30 seconds per night. Exercise 7. Heel taps. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, arms at your sides. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders slightly off the floor and reach side to side to tap each heel. Heel taps target your obliques, those side stomach muscles responsible for that slim waistline look. With each side to side reach, you're tightening your midsection and building rotational strength. The movement should be small and controlled. Don't rush, focus on the squeeze on each tap. As you move, exhale on the tap and inhale when you return to center. Keep your chin lifted but don't strain your neck. This exercise is perfect for burning side belly fat and improving mobility. It also works well as a low-stress, high-impact movement before sleep, helping you wind down while still toning your core. Over time, consistent heel taps help shrink the waist, improve coordination, and build stability in your midsection. Exercise 8. Plank with shoulder taps. Start in a high plank, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now slowly tap your right shoulder with your left hand, then left shoulder with your right. Keep alternating. Plank shoulder taps engage your entire core, especially your deep stabilizing muscles. They also challenge your balance, helping improve posture and tighten your waistline. The key is to keep your hips still. Don't let them sway. This forces your abs to work harder to stabilize your body. Go slow, breathe steadily, and stay in control. Shoulder taps build strength in your abs, arms, and back, and also burn calories quickly, even in short bursts. Just 30 seconds of this can make a noticeable difference. It's an ideal exercise for nighttime because it improves circulation, strengthens your foundation, and helps you feel powerful right before rest. Make it a part of your nightly ritual for better results over time. Exercise 9. Standing side crunch. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head. Lift your right knee as you crunch your torso down, bringing your right elbow to meet your knee. Return to standing and repeat on the left side. Alternate sides for 30 seconds. This standing move is perfect before bed. It's low impact, requires no floor contact, and still torches your core. It targets your obliques, hip flexors, and lower abs all at once, making it a full core sculptor. The beauty of this exercise is in its mobility and activation. Not only are you tightening your belly, but you're also improving balance, posture, and coordination. Plus, standing up moves like this one increase circulation and gently stimulate your metabolism before sleep. Keep your core engaged, chest open, and elbows wide. Don't lean forward, focus on crunching side to side. The motion should be deliberate and strong. This move is especially effective for those who struggle with bloating or stiffness at night. It stretches and strengthens in one clean motion. Add this to your evening ritual, and you'll notice a firmer, more defined waistline in no time. Exercise 10. Hollow body hold. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended overhead and legs straight. Now lift your arms, head, shoulders, and legs a few inches off the floor. Keep your lower back pressed firmly into the mat. This is the hollow body hold, a powerhouse core move that works every inch of your midsection. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep your body in a shallow banana shape. Don't let your shoulders drop or your legs sag. Engage your core and breathe slowly but deeply. This isometric exercise is a gold standard for building core stability and flat abs. It targets the entire abdominal wall, including the deep transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, and the obliques all at once. What makes it perfect for a nighttime workout is its intensity without movement. You're strengthening your abs through tension and control, which helps tone your belly and improves posture and spinal support. If it's too difficult at first, try bending your knees or keeping your arms by your sides, but aim to build up over time. Ending your workout with this hold gives your core one final burn and signals your body that it's time to recover, rebuild, and burn fat while you sleep. And just like that, you're done. In just 5 minutes, you've activated your entire core, boosted your metabolism, and taken a powerful step toward your dream belly, all without equipment, without sweat, and without stress. This is more than a workout, it's a ritual, a way to signal your body that it's time to release tension, burn fat, and rest deeply. When you do these moves consistently every night, you train your body to burn fat more efficiently, tighten the stomach, and improve posture and digestion, all while you sleep. But here's the key: consistency. Don't stop after one night. Make this your 5-minute promise every evening. You'll begin to notice changes in just 7 to 10 days. Your clothes fit better, your stomach feels tighter, and you'll even sleep better. If you found this routine helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below telling us how you feel after tonight's workout. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Every night is a new chance to change. See you tomorrow.